Press on Use Advanced 3D Settings. Select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Anisotropic Filtering off. Anti-aliasing mode off. GPUs, select your NVIDIA graphics card. Rendering GPU, select NVIDIA graphics card. Power management mode, prefer maximum performance. Shader cache size, 10 GB. Quality, high performance. All settings has changed. Now click Apply. Max performance settings sets. Choose a program to get max performance. Set this to global setting. Processor, select NVIDIA graphics card. Click on Dedicate to PHYSX. Hit on Apply. All set FPS boost. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.